Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. We're gonna see different ways to ask and answer how are you in English. So there are many ways you can ask someone how he is or how she is in English and answer. So that's what we're gonna cover in this lesson, okay? So the first one is how are you? How are you, which is very common. How are you? To answer you can say I'm good or I'm fine or great or okay, I'm okay. Or you can leave the verb to be, this part, you can leave it, you can just say good, fine, or great, okay? Or to answer negatively, you can say not good, not so good, or not bad, okay? And then we have how are you doing? Hey, how are you doing? Which is another way you can ask someone how are you? How are you doing? To answer, I can say I'm doing well. Don't say I'm doing good, okay? When the question is how are you doing, you can say I'm doing well or I'm not doing well. Don't say good here, okay? If you say good, it means like you're doing good things, okay? Or you can answer not bad, okay? Then we have what's up, what's up. So when someone says what's up, most of the time the person wants to know what you're doing. So to answer, if you don't want to mention anything, you're not doing anything, you can just say not much, not a lot, or nothing much. Or if you want to mention something, you can say, for example, I'm just sitting. If you're sitting, for example, on a chair, I'm just sitting. I'm just lying on my bed, okay? I'm just standing, okay? If I stand, I can say I'm standing, or I'm just standing, or I'm taking a rest. I'm just taking a rest, or I'm studying something, or I'm texting, okay? So I can mention what I'm doing. And then we have what's new. What's new? What's new is kind of like what's new in your life. For example, if I haven't seen you for a while and I want to know what's new in your life, I can say, hey, what's new? Okay? So if there's nothing new, you can just say not much, not a lot, nothing much, like what's up. Or if you want to mention something which is new in your life, you can do it. For example, I can say I just started working. If I found a job and I start working, I can say I just started working, or I just started a new job, okay? And then we have what's going on. What's going on is what are you up to? What are you doing? Hey, what's going on? To answer, I can say nothing much. If there's nothing going on, I can just say nothing much. And then we have how are things, or how are things going, or how are things, okay? To answer, I can say things are going well, okay? Then we have how is everything, okay? How is everything going, how is everything? To answer, I can say everything is good, or everything is not good, or not bad, okay? Then we have how is it going? Hey, how is it going? How is everything? How is it going? To answer, I can say it's going well, or it's going great, or everything's good, or it's fine, or it's good, or it's alright, okay? You have different options here, okay? Then we have how's life. How's life is kind of like how's life been treating you? How's life, okay? To answer, you can say it's good, okay? It's good, okay? And we have how have you been? If I haven't seen you for some time and I want to know how was everything for you, I can say how have you been? Okay? I can answer I've been good, or I've been great, okay? Or I've not been good, etc. okay? And then we have what are you up to is like what are you doing, okay? I can say I'm watching movies, I'm doing something, okay?